Harrison Jones.
Quentin Riley.
I can't stay.
What are you drinking?
I can't stay is what I'm saying. I only came because Lori didn't have your number. She couldn't cancel, so I don't want to leave you stood up in a place like this. It'd be like falling face down on a runway somewhere. Anyway, you know Lori has this annoying habit of meddling, so I just thought it'd be decent to...
What are you drinking?
I can't stay is what I'm saying. I don't do blind dates.
My parents met on a blind date. They've been inseparable ever since.
And I'm happy for your parents. And for you, because look, you exist, but I hate you.
This isn't a blind date.
What?
It's a job interview. What are you drinking?
Dirty martini. What do you mean this is a job interview?
It's a job interview. It's a job interview.
You're a baby lawyer. You're like 12 years old.
I'm 28.